Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the feature that allows you to navigate pages with a text cursor in Chrome on your PC. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Chrome by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you find it, simply click to launch the browser. Step 2. Look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select Settings. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Click on it to open the Accessibility settings. Step 5. Within the Accessibility section, you'll find an option labeled Navigate Pages with a text cursor. Simply toggle it off to disable this feature. And that's it. You have successfully disabled the ability to navigate pages with a text cursor in Chrome on your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.